What's up, YouTube? So I just got back from a trip for work and I picked this up from my dear friend. How do I pronounce her Twitter handle? Qdocs? I'll link it below in the description. But yeah, we ordered together and we actually both got J-Hope. So she actually found a trade for me while I was gone for work, and so she got me my man Jin, so I already know what selfie book I got, which I'm really excited to look through. But yeah, I'm back home now so I can film this, and yeah, let's get right into this. I'm so excited actually, because like, they're so like, I love when they're on vacation. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And like, you know, it's a little annoying that it's like this, where this doesn't close like all the way in, but I guess. So it's this, my man's selfie book. Okay, let's look through that first before we dive any deeper in, because this is important to me. Looks so good. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at his face. Honestly, I don't know how anyone like cannot like stan Jin. Like, he's like so handsome, and I don't know, I just love him so much. Like, look at that. He looks so good. Is that it? Oh my god. I don't care that this selfie book doesn't have that much stuff. This is practically like having the Jin photo card for this pretty much. So I'm really happy with this. Thank you so much at Qdocs for getting me the trade. I'm keeping my friend's info anonymous, okay? Anyways, let's dive right in. So my package. Oi. Oh, there's the fan. Okay, we'll go to the photo book after we go through this. So there's the fan, and here's the stickers that you can put on the fan, which obviously I'm not going to use. And here's the DVD of it, which I'm still behind a lot of DVDs to watch, so that's just one of many DVDs I have to watch. And I guess this is, oh yeah, instructions for the fan. Not gonna use the fan, but you know, good to know. So here's the photo book. So a lot of pictures, so let's get started. So yeah, that's the big photo book, the fan, selfie book, and yeah, that was a summer package. I've been pretty excited to go through this, honestly, because I've been gone for like a whole week since we got it in the mail. But yeah, to me it was worth it for my BTS collection. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.